Hey, Crystal. Thanks for joining us. Oh, let me pin this comment real quick so everybody know what we're discussing. Getting ready to pin the comment. I'm just pinning the comment, y'all. Because people always come in the chat and be like, what y'all talking about? Gotta remember to do that. And our guest should be on shortly. If you all have any questions regarding hard money lenders, make sure you write them down, drop them in the chat. We want to get all of your questions answered. Questions for our hard money lender, make sure you drop them in the chat. She'll be joining us shortly. And just so you all know, building and bonding, assembling a dream team, I'm essentially bringing to you in this series the behind the scenes of every single person you're going to need on your real estate team and what their role is in your real estate transaction. Real estate is a team sport. You need to make sure everyone knows their role, everyone plays a part in order for you to have a successful transaction and for you to successfully build your portfolio. This financial literacy is important. We all know, especially it's important when it comes to getting the coins, getting the financing, and how you do so. So this chat in particular will be very informative. And I think she'll be on shortly. I have to do not disturb on my phone because people just be calling. Let's see. There you go. Hey, Sheronda. You can either accept my request or